Hi and hello, welcome. This is Albert Pinto and you're watching my channel, that is Albert Pinto's multi-channel. Welcome to my channel once again. Troubleshooting common issues with site audit access. This is one of the most common issue we come across, and this way there can be few other issues as well. Robots.txt rule disallow crawl. Why your site is not crawling? Have you disallowed crawling in your WordPress or Blogger site? Why would you do that, right? But this is what you have to check in your site. Might be you have done a small mistake somewhere which you are not aware of. So let's start with the process. First we will recrawl the site just to show you, and we move to the next step. Click on crawl. I will cut it short to prevent time wastage here. There you see the site is not crawling further. Next, the issue continues. Yes, your site is running fine and you cannot see any errors when you load your site. Like my site. This site is running perfectly fine and I cannot see any problem. Well, today I will show you one error here because of which Ahrefs Webmaster tool was not crawling my site. So let's start with the process. Now let me show you in Google Search Console where I have removed some URLs permanently. This is the site Poetry Potions. Let's click on Remove URLs. Here you see few URLs I have asked Google Search Console to remove permanently. Next, let's go to WordPress dashboard. Scroll down, go to Yoast SEO and then click on Tools. Then click on File Editor. Now that's robot.txt and here are my disallowed URLs. Here I have done one minor issue or mistake that was big issue for me, and that is this one. I have just left one disallow line without linking any URLs, and that was a big blunder. But did anyone know that this also can create a problem? But yes, it does. So let's delete that additional disallow rule. Let's save that. Saved already. Let's go back to Ahrefs Webmaster tool and click on crawl. So there it begins. And that's the final result, final crawl. Let's go to the dashboard and see the final results now. So that's perfectly fine. The issue has been solved totally, fully. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hope it will help you to solve your problems as well. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Take care and bye-bye.